Hello everyone! Mother's Day is around the corner and it's that second time of the year where some of us might be panicking about finding the best Mother's Day gift. And in this video, I will be giving you a whole list of free and affordable gift ideas. So whether you're a DIY gifter or a last minute gifter, or you just forgot that Mother's Day is coming up, I've got you covered. Let's get into it.
Cause baby, tonight we're gonna go all out. We're gonna do it our way. Don't care what they say.
Let's start off with the free DIY gifts. So the first thing on my list is a personalized coupon. So it's basically like a mini book or a ticket. There's so many different types of ways to design it, and it consists of coupons that offer services like washing your mom's car, cleaning, cooking. The next thing is a personalized playlist. This is a great idea, especially if your mom is really into music. Or you can make a heartfelt video in the form of a memory lane of some special moments, or you can record a heartfelt message for her. I think the last two are a great route to take if you won't be able to spend Mother's Day with your mother. The next thing is breakfast in bed. Wait, don't you have to go grocery shopping for this? Anyways, work with what's in your fridge and make breakfast for your mom. If you don't know what to use with the ingredients that you have, use ChatGPT. And if you don't know how to cook, look up an easy recipe on YouTube beforehand. And let's try not to burn down the house, especially on Mother's Day. That would be very unfortunate. Once you've made your breakfast, you can now start to decorate the tray with maybe a handwritten note or a portrait of your mom. Or you can take some flowers from the garden, put them in a nice little vase, and make her coffee in a customized mug if you have one of those customized mugs. Next up is movie night. So just select all of your mom's favorite movies and just have a movie night. Same goes for a picnic as well. You can even do a picnic. Now it's time for the affordable gifts. Okay, so I really didn't want to add this gift onto this list because I feel like it's such a go-to Mother's Day or Father's Day gift, but I'm going to add it anyways, and that is a customized mug. Yeah. Next thing is a bouquet of flowers or a flower crown. The next thing is a DIY spa day using a basket or a spa kit that you would have made yourself by going to like different stores and selecting like bath soaps, candles, oils from different stores and like compare the prices and then put them all together and boom. The same goes for a food basket. So I know for me this is my go-to gift, and as I would have mentioned earlier on, make sure that you know what your mother likes. So I know the types of chocolates and the goodies that my mother likes. So instead of buying in like one store, I just go to different stores and I do like price comparisons, and I don't care if it's a 1 rand or a 2 rand difference. That is a difference, okay? And I just select the one that has a price that makes me happy. I create the basket at home and then boom, happy Mother's Day. So the next thing would be like tips that I'll be giving to you. First thing would be to shop earlier, like 2 months in advance. I did that last year. It was the best decision I've ever made. Next thing would be to look at those Mother's Day promos. You never really know. Maybe you might find something that you like. I know for me, as I said, my go-to gift, one of my go-to gifts is a food basket. I know the food baskets in the shops, I know that the ones that are in the shops, 80% of the stuff that is in there, my mom won't like. So why would I, purchase that? That's why I never really cared so much for the promos, but you never really know what you might find. So do check them out. The next thing is you can even purchase a voucher or a short-term subscription to whatever, your mom. Now I'm somebody who likes to get both a DIY gift and an affordable gift. So I'm going to give you some examples. Some ideas would be like a food basket and a handwritten card, a food basket and a movie night. As soon as she's about to watch the movie, boom, food basket. Flowers and a coupon book, DIY spa day, and then in the background have like your curated playlist playing in the background. Well, there you have it, a whole list of free DIY and affordable gifts. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and share it with anyone who might find it to be helpful. And a happy Mother's Day. Wait, no, I don't think that would the mothers be watching this? I don't. Okay, anyways, but happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there. And make sure to subscribe for some different types of videos every week. We don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.